turn to Hyperman and the Sentinels. Contact front! Take him out! Target down!
What the? Whoa, dude, are you okay?
No, I appear to have a really bad cold.
What the? Are you sneezing Legos?
No, I'm sneezing flowers. Now here's your sign.
Ugh. Dude, you must be really sick. We should get you to the doctor or something.
I agree.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Ew.
Sorry.
Okay, one more wire. Yeah, got it. There you go, that should do.
Hey, Doc.
Eh? Oh, hey, Red, Zane, how's it going?
Well, I'm doing okay, but Zane appears to be sick.
Oh!
Would you aim away from me, please?
Sorry.
Anyway, Doc, I was wondering if there was some kind of antibiotic you could give him.
I don't give antibiotics.
Are you serious? Then how come everybody calls you doctor?
Because I am a scientist. I work in robotics, not antibiotics.
Oh.
Well, is there another doctor around here that you know of?
There's a doctor office over there. Never been to it. Can't guarantee it's good. But you could try it.
Okay, let's go.
Our gratitude, doctor.
Hey, wait, Zane! You need to clean up your mess! Oh, great.
Next!
Ah, his voice is annoying.
2 hours later.
Don't worry, you're almost done.
Okay, you're good to go.
What the?
Stop! Police units, you are under arrest!
Let's get out of here.
Oh, barnacles!
You have the right to remain silent!
I wish there was a good doctor somewhere around here.
Did somebody say doctor? Before I joined the construction crew, I was a doctor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Come on, I'll take you to my office. Looks like you got a bad case of brick sneeze, but nothing I can't take care of.
I appreciate it, sir.
Alright, hold still. This won't hurt at all! No, thank you! I don't get paid near enough to deal with quacks!
I hope this next guy's not as disappointing as the last cup.
Hello, I am Dr. Trollsworth.
No. Just no.
Gesundheit.
Yo, man, you sound really sick.
But don't worry, mate. We've got just the right antibiotic for you.
Are you serious?
Sure, mate. It's right here. Here, take it.
Okay. Whoa. I feel so much better already. Thanks, guys. I really owe you one.
No problem, yo. We'll be right back after this message.
Oh, it feels so good not to have bricks up my sinuses.
Oh no! It's a zombie!
Run! Boo! Did I scare you?